Hey, my name is Denise Walsh and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever noticed that when you sign up a team member for your at-home business, they seem to quit before they even get started? That has happened to me too. And so in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 things that have helped me create a culture and keep people motivated, working towards their goals so that our whole team is working together to create momentum for everybody's business. Hey you guys, thank you so much for hopping back into my channel. My name is Denise Walsh. I've been a leader within Network Marketing Company for over 12 years, and prior to that, I was a clinical psychologist. And so people often ask me, do you still use your degree? And the answer is yes. When you're working with people, there is a little bit of psychology that happens because we want to take people from where they are and push them outside their comfort zone, helping them grow, blossom, and thrive into who they truly want to be. And so today I'm going to share with you 3 things that I have really worked to create within my team to help everybody experience more success. The first one is to ask tons of questions. Tons of questions. Most people don't get started with you because they're bored. Most people have a need, whether they want to be home with their babies, or they want to make an extra $500 to pay off their car payment, or they want to take their family on vacation debt-free. Whatever it is, there's a need that their new business can help solve. And so what I recommend is when you're working with a new distributor or a potential distributor, ask them lots of questions. Things like, why are you interested in getting started with us? How much money are you looking to make each month? How much time are you willing to put into this business? And so what you want to do is you want to take that need that they have and you want to link it to the business. So yes, this business is going to help you come home to your babies. This business is going to generate enough income for you to take everybody to Disney World debt-free. This business is going to help solve the need that you had. So step 1, ask questions. Step 2, give them a place where they can feel accomplished. So the interesting thing is that if people don't feel like they're good at something, they often won't keep trying. So we want to link their skill set to their business as well. Not only do we link their why to this business, yes, whatever you're looking for can be achieved here, but you're also linking their strengths to their business. So whatever they're good at, whether they're a nurse and they love to help people get better, or they're a teacher, or I was a clinical psychologist, my husband was an aerospace engineer, we're all very good at different things, yet all of us can thrive in a business like this. And so things you can do here are, oh my gosh, you are going to love being able to teach people about health and wellness products. Oh my goodness, you are going to thrive in helping people push past their comfort zone. You love to teach. You're going to teach people how to do this business. Oh my goodness, you're going to be so good because X, Y, and Z. And then the thing that I do here is I watch, right? I watch. And I point out what they're good at, because they probably don't even know. They're not quite sure what they're doing yet. They're still a little bit scared. They're skeptical. They're a bit fearful. And so I want to build the confidence that yes, they can experience success, and yes, they can actually experience success. So I call on their strengths and I link it to how it's going to help them in their business. And then step 3 is to point out that this business can help them fulfill their life purpose. Now, as grand as that sounds, what I do here is I really help people get to know themselves a little bit. What makes them tick? What do they love? Like if the world was perfect, what would they see in the world? And here I'm linking it to their life purpose, like what's their calling, what's their holy discontent, and then I link it to the business. So the business can help them either fulfill their life purpose within their team and within the business, or because of the business, because of the income, the time freedom, they're going to be able to give back more. They're going to be able to go to Africa. They're going to be able to spend time with their grandchildren, or whatever the case may be. I link their life purpose to the business, whether they're fulfilling it here or because of. For me, I knew that I didn't want to work in a 9-to-5 job for the next 30 years and hate my life. I knew that. So my why was to find another way to fulfill my gifts and skills. My why was to make money doing what I love. And then I realized I could do that within this business. I could love on people, help them grow, teach, train, coach, bring them into a culture that allows them to love their life and give them that same freedom within my business. And that's my life purpose. And so I could fulfill my life purpose here. And I think that when you create a culture where people know that they can make money within the business, they believe that they're good at it because of who they already are, and they link it to their life purpose, you are going to create people that light their own fire. As I always say, it's not our job to motivate our team. It's our job to inspire them, to light a fire within them so then they can motivate themselves. So if you have a way that you help people connect with themselves, to light their own inner spark, to stay motivated towards their business, I'd love for you to post it in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release a video. And don't forget to check out my 2 free resources. I have my podcast called Dreamcast, which is my favorite, you guys. So many really amazing and motivational, educational, interviews there. And then also my free resource, which is called Dream Life Action Planner. And this is the place where you can go to really get control of your calendar so you can lead by example and teach people what you're doing every step of the way. So thanks for hanging out with me, and remember to dream big.